Spa day complete. Give him about 30 seconds till he rolls. Go play. Go find your girls. We're rolling the dirt. Yeah. Yep, dirt. And there he goes. Well, nope, that's not a good spot. Can I help you? I don't even know you. Oh, look, there's a dirt spot. Great. Really? You want another treat now?